and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing some home project planning. So I have these project planner inserts from Rosie Papeterie. I've used these before and have a video of when I just organize the house. So I really love using these. I just did a video on how you can also use these for content planning as I plan for Vlogtober. So we have that on my channel. I am going to start putting in the dates for the calendar as I do this intro to make it easier, and I want to make sure that I don't mess it up because I did that in my last video. But I have done Vlogtober the past few years, and I always primarily use this month and this chance to do some home organization and cleaning. I live in Texas, if you are new to my channel, just so y'all know. So typically this is when it gets a little bit cooler, not cold, but it's, you know, decent so that you can actually get stuff done. In the summer, I don't want to do anything just because it's so hot. So typically this is the month where I like doing the organization because it just feels nice outside. So, and by nice, it's 70s, 80s. 70s if we're lucky. But yeah, we'll be using these for the month. So I'm going to use some highlighters, break down what needs to get cleaned and organized. It will make a plan from there. So I'm going to categorize them. I'm going to use a highlighter for the categories. So I have my mild liner. So I want to start with a true office clean out. So if you saw the content planning video, I broke it all down by content because I'm going to do dedicated videos for each element, but I also just want to put it in here just so I have the full list. So in my office, I need to clean out the bookshelves. I need to go through my planner inserts, and this is a full task on its own because I just have so many that have accumulated throughout the year. I need to do stickers and accessories. I also need to clean my closet, so gotta figure that out. Planner cart. And then I think with the closet, I have just random planners everywhere. As you all know, I get sent planners. I have so many notebooks. I have so many things. So I really just need a general clean out. So let's just do inventory clean out. I've given away so many planners to my friends because of course I'm the planner friend, so everyone comes to me because they know I get stuff. And so I'm hey, yeah, try this, do this. If I got a home and family project planner from Erin Condren, I give that to my friend who has a family, right? So I try and give things to people who could benefit from it, want to plan, etc. And even with all of that, I still have so many planners everywhere. So I need to just clean it out. I want to leave some blank space just in case something else pops up. But let's go on to the next. So in our loft, it is a actual mess. I want to do a video on it, but it's just so messy. And I don't want to be judged on the internet, but I also think it's good to see. As y'all know, we do plan on moving next spring, and so that's where everything has kind of just been stored for what needs to be sold and donated. So I just really need to organize our bins. We have bookshelves in there with our comic and pop collections. We have our gym, which I just need to do the cleanup. I need to take out trash that's in there because it's just papers and boxes and things. But ultimately, I just need to go in there and spend a day and clean. So I might do that one weekend, film it, and then show y'all what it looks like. I kind of want to do a video. I did it, I think, last year on our Funko Pop and comic collection, but I need to put up some IKEA shelves and stuff. So I think if I am able to clean this up, then I can also do that, and then y'all can see that. So let's put that under a content idea. So here is the content, how I've used this for content planning. So let's do Funko comic video. I cannot write today. Funko comic setup. Alright, so we have that. And then I think it's just like general cleanup downstairs, because last Vlogtober, which is crazy, it's been a year, I like went through each part of our house and luckily it stayed like clean. So I think it just needs to be like a little refresh. So we have a downstairs closet. It's actually called that living room closet. We'll do living room closet, kitchen, yeah, let's do bedroom, laundry room, closet cleanup should be its own thing, and then, well, it will be its own thing, so let's do closet, and then bathrooms. And then one more category. So for upstairs, we have, of course, loft and my office. We also have my upstairs bathroom, which is where I get ready, a closet, and that's actually it. So we have upstairs, and then let's do garage. So my parents are giving me like all my childhood stuff, so I have to go through that. So let's put in bins, and then items that need to get sold. That works. Okay, so we have that. Overall tasks, it's going to really be organizing bins, because I bought a lot of bins. Like, I'll go to Target and just buy stuff so we have it to keep things organized and to like start prepping the move. But they're just everywhere, so we just really need to clean that out. It's really going to be decluttering, and then listings. That's everything I can think of right now. So I have that. So let's, under objectives, also put home organization, clean out, and plan. And then under notes, I kind of want to do like a high to low. Actually, maybe, no, over here, let's do this by priority, just because I want to, like, the garage, I can wait until December. Like, that's really low on my priority list. But high is, I really want to clean the office, and then the loft. And then the upstairs portion is, again, low. Then I guess downstairs too. Yeah. So let's just put that in the middle. So for this month, this is going to be the line of what like is high to low. And then this is like mid priority. So if I get to this, I get to it. If not, this is really the focus up here. So have that. And then now for planning everything out. So as I mentioned, high priority. So I want to put that at the beginning. This is going to be a tentative plan because things are always changing. I think it's important to note when I'm traveling. So let me actually grab a dot marker to do that, just because I can't do anything while I'm gone, right? So I have this dot marker. So I'm gone these days. I have my comprehensive exams here, so I'm not doing any like organization or tasks. So I'm gonna put like an availability in green of when I can clean things out. I think this weekend is gonna be where I ultimately need to do the high priority office organization. And then this can be kind of like lower, but these are the days that I really can like focus on things. So I probably don't want to do anything Sunday, like the day after I get back and right before comprehensive exams. So maybe I shouldn't, yeah, let's not actually put that as an available day. But these are for sure weekends where I can get things done. And so from there, we have the, well, maybe we can use a different color to highlight like other days that I can just tackle things. So here's another gray marker. Or it looks like this is gonna be a little more blue. So these are for sure dates. Wednesdays I have consulting meetings, so no availability there. My husband's off on Monday, so I typically don't try and do anything. I think it's really gonna be Tuesdays and Thursdays, primarily Thursdays, where I think I have more like flexibility to do things. And sometimes Friday as well, but I think this month we're pretty busy. So I'm just want to stick it to Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday and Sunday of when I can get things done. So those are the available days. What I think I'll do is make deadlines like on Sundays. So by like this Sunday, I want to have the office cleaned out. And then again, I'm out all these days. So let's do loft done by here. And then maybe like upstairs here. And these will just be like concrete, have to get these done dates. So if I, I'm able to do like the loft and the upstairs all in this week, then that's great. But if not, it's no big deal. Oh, I put upstairs. I meant downstairs. Well, actually, let's do downstairs this day and upstairs the next day. And then that way I can just clean that weekend. And then I'm not going to do the garage on the 31st. It's Halloween. So let's actually just, that's not an available day either. Let's add in a few more. And even though it won't be till October, this is just for like general awareness. But maybe this is the weekend that we can do the garage. All right. So that is deadlines, availability of like days that I can do things, breakdown of what needs to be done, priority list, and then tasks. So other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.